your commercial vehicle fleet use dash cams? You may have many questions when trying to determine if your commercial vehicle fleet or collection of semi-trucks needs dash cams. Should you invest in these small devices to monitor drivers in the cab and the road around your fleet for potential accidents? The short answer, yes. If you need further evidence that dash cams are unequivocally a good idea, the National Transportation Safety Board states that dash cams on commercial vehicles are one of the most highly sought after road safety improvements. In their opinion, fleet monitoring systems are an essential tool in reducing accidents, preventing fraud, and saving lives on the road. With all these things being accomplished, it also equals more money in the fleet company's bottom line. That money can be used by businesses to upgrade and maintain their fleet while growing their company. So what are the benefits of having a dash cam? There are a multitude of benefits in store for fleet owners who outfit their vehicles with dash cams. Accident evidence and potentially faster fleet insurance claims. Obtaining accident evidence and faster processing of fleet insurance claims are likely the main reasons anyone would consider a dash cam for their organization. Accident evidence is crucial to defeating faulty claims and proving innocence for your trained fleet drivers. By having a silent witness on board, dash cams are the absolute best witness to accidents on the road, as they're always watching and waiting in case of a collision. The often long and drawn-out insurance claims process is generally sped up when a dashcam video becomes part of the case. This can settle the matter faster and take less of your time away from operating your business and your everyday life. Not to mention, you might see fewer migraines. One day we hope that American auto insurers can start offering discounts to proactive fleets and drivers who have dashcams, as insurers in Canada and the United Kingdom are currently doing. Prevent and combat accident fraud on the road. Across the world, drivers are confronted with insurance scams, driver fraud, and much more. This is especially true when it comes to personal vehicles as opposed to commercial fleet vehicles. Due to scammer knowledge that fleet vehicles usually have a company backing them, these kind of vehicles are targeted more frequently than the average family sedan. One tactic that's been growing in prominence in the US is called a crash for cash scam, in which the offending driver passes a large, slow-braking commercial truck and then proceeds to slam on the brakes in order to cause an accident. These type of wrecks were once extremely hard to discredit or defend your drivers from, but fleet dashcams are the ultimate defense. Dashcams are the ultimate impartial witness to thwart a would-be highway scam artist, and they'll bring your entire fleet peace of mind on the road. Fleet-wide GPS monitoring. Many dashcams include GPS functionality, which comes quite in handy for a commercial fleet manager. You'll be able to make sure your fleet vehicles are sticking to their routes and staying where they should be. Personal miles in company vehicles can sometimes leave your business on the line for accidents that happen without your knowledge or direct consent. Using GPS data, you can conclusively determine that the vehicle is being used for business purposes at all times. After all, the more efficient your drivers are at staying en route and on task, the more productive your business will be. Foster and improve fleet driver behavior. We know that having a team you trust is essential to running a business right. That's why you hire trustworthy people to drive your vehicles and offer proper training to make sure they're the best drivers that they can be. At the end of the day though, having a little extra protection for your expensive vehicles and cargo is always a good idea. With a dashcam system in your fleet, there's an instant level of caution added to your team of drivers. When the road and inside of the cab are always being monitored, just in case of trouble, anyone driving a fleet truck, van, or another vehicle will likely drive more defensively and pay more attention. These natural behavioral changes could end up saving you money and keeping your fleet on the road more often without trouble. Dashcam fleet discounts available at BlackboxMyCar. Many commercial fleets outfit all their vehicles at once. We understand the value of doing so to help keep things simple for your business. That's why BlackboxMyCar offers fleet vehicle dashcam discounts for commercial fleet managers who are looking to purchase their dashcams in bulk. Having dashcams equipped inside one of these daily use vehicles is essential to many of our fleet customers to ensure safety and peace of mind for the drivers and bottom line. As North America's #1 dashcam supplier, we know that every fleet, truck, and vehicle on the road deserves the best product for their needs. We're passionate about what we do day in and day out. That's why we offer the best price matching, customer service, and dashcam installation service on the market.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.